it look sitting in the house?
Huge.
Huge. Come on out, baby. Hopefully this is our last appointment. Claim it.
I still want you to go full term. I mean,
I am full.
40 weeks.
40. Yeah, you're right. Give me time to drink all this stuff and do all the things and get everything else. You're right. I don't want to get checked. Good though, because
Yeah.
what if I'm something?
Exactly. It's time.
What if I'm like dilated like 3 centimeters? You stop it, but I'm just saying, like, what if I'm dilated?
What if you're about dilated?
That'd be so freaking exciting.
If you're dilated?
Yeah.
You be excited?
Yeah. Because if that means when the day comes, it's less time you have to sit here and wait to dilate. I mean, it still could take a long time, but like, you still recording?
Can you see our son?
Huh?
Can you see your son? Our baby boy?
I feel like we should be able to see an ultrasound, you know? To see like positioning. Maybe I can ask them about that.
Yeah, you can see. But
But
they're
like
probably going
this.
to tell you they feel him where he's supposed to be.
I want to know where his feet are, where his arms are. What's this little knot that keeps poking? You still recording? Like, I want to know his exact positioning at this point. And see how big he is. Remember last time we saw him, he was little. Oh, that baby.
It's cute.
So cute.
How long is this going to take?
Oh, it's not that bad. Mine isn't gooey at all.
It's definitely some goo in there.
Compared to other people?
It's probably below it. It looks like it's gooey below it. There you go. I figured that.
There it is.
It's like all the okra still trying to come out.
It's okay. Let's pick it up.
You got too much.
Throw the tea bag in there.
I'm gonna sit it like that.
And then pour the other one.
This is too much. And I didn't want to get the stuff in there.
That's good.
Switch states, touchdown foreign place. Ain't no way, ain't no fucking way.
There's a baby in there. A whole baby. Wow. This looks so good. What's that called? Some kind of, oh, there it is. Cookies. Whole lot of Cookie Monster.
I don't look pregnant until I turn around. Check. Pregnant. 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 Pregnant.
But yeah, I'm about to eat. My husband got us, got me some food from La Priya. And maybe you guys can see the theme going on here. I get a lot of questions on what I'm craving, and it's always going to be Mexican food for me. I got fajitas. So yeah, my craving pretty much is always Mexican food. Always want tacos, nachos, fajitas, quesadillas. So I'm about to dive into this, watch some YouTube, and I'll be back. You want to say hello to the vlog? Say hello. Hello. Ming is at my grandmother's house, so she's been lonely. She's been extra clingy lately because she doesn't have her best friend. Okay, bye-bye. Hi, Zorro.
Are you waiting the anticipation?
Mm-hmm.
Fresh car seat.
Rig me out the plastic because I'm acting brand new.
For you, Avery. It's for you, son.
Wow. How heavy is that?
It's the lightest thing, but you can't. How does it work? Look at that. Look at the black.
Do it again.
Hold on.
So this is the undo.
You still learning. Don't worry. Slide that back.
Ooh.
We car seating in this bitch. Get your ass in that car sleep. And then we gonna come back up on them. But how do you make it a stroller though? Like,
That is a stroller.
but how do you push it?
Yeah, pull that up. Your handlebar. Or she pushed too. Yeah. That should come up.
Get them out. Hold on, gotta stop the wheels from rolling. Alright. How we gonna drop that motherfucker? Gonna figure that out.
Yeah.
I ain't going too far back or something. Yeah, car seat, man. Get in the car. You wanna figure it? You wanna feel it?
Sure.
Yeah, that's it.
I'll let you. You got it.
The lightest thing.
It's heavy. I bet.
It's not light.
Well, you shouldn't be carrying ever. You know, you shouldn't be carrying it
You gotta
ever.
pick it up, go in the car.
Yeah, that's it.
Look, with a baby, that's gonna be some. It's like a new toy.
Ooh, professional. Think you know what you're doing.
I'm the daddy. Who's the father? Oh. That's my son over here. No cameras, please. Look at that.
Dope.
I'm tryna put you in the worst mood. P1 cleaner than your church shoes. Millie .2 just to hurt you. All red lamb just to tease you. None of these talking about me, I don't see the shade. Switch on my side, I take any lane. I switch on my cup, I kill any pain. Look what you done.
Yeah, I see that. Big old spider web. I think it's huge. I'm gonna get y'all. I don't think y'all can see how big that thing is.
Nigga try to end me, I pull off in the roadster SVI. Pockets overweight, getting hefty, I coming for the king, that's a far cry. I come alive in the fall time. The competition, I don't really listen. I'm in the blue mood, song, bump a new edition. House so empty, need a centerpiece. 20 racks a table cut from ebony. Cut that ivory into skinny pieces. Then she clean up with her face, man, I love my baby. You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking about me, I don't see the shade. Switch on my side, I take any lane. I switch on my cup, I kill any pain. Look what you done.
That looks delicious.
I'm a motherfucking star boy. Let a nigga Brad Pitt, legend of the fall. Took the year like a bandit. Bought my mother crib in a brand new wagon. Now she hit the grocery shop looking lavish. Star Trek roof in the Wraith the Con. Girls get loose when they hear the song. 100 on the dash, get me close to God. We don't pray for love, we just pray for cause. House so empty, need a centerpiece. 20 racks a table cut from ebony.